Welcome to Robotic Chemi's advanced non-man entry tank cleaning solutions. Our system leads in safety and efficiency, designed for cleaning bulk fuel, crude oil and chemical storage tanks. Initial phase involves attaching tank sweep units to manway doors. In exceptional cases where sludge levels exceed the manway doors, cold tapping is employed to secure specially designed reducing flanges and isolation valves. This is followed by the connection of temporary pumps and filtration systems. Once all temporary equipment is in place, a precise amount of cutter stock is introduced. Subsequently, the process of sludge fluidization begins. By opening the tank sweep valves, jet streams are directed through sweep nozzles into the tank, generating an impulse centrifugal force. These nozzles are periodically rotated to ensure thorough agitation of the sludge, promoting homogeneous mixing within the tank. Throughout this stage, the liquid undergoes filtration and recirculation via RRC's advanced filtration system. Upon achieving complete homogenization of the tank contents, the tank sweep operation is concluded. The cutter stock and recovered oil from the sludge are then drained through nitrogen purging, injected from the tank's roof level. The tank is subsequently readied for the second phase if necessary. The next phase employs the advanced manway cannon system to break down remaining sludge. The process starts by positioning and securing the manway cannons at designated manway access points. After the connection of manway cannons, a lobe pump is integrated into the system. This pump is essential for returning the cutter stock and suspended sludge to the weir tank, where process filters handle the filtration of the cutter stock. The weir tank then feeds the filtered cutter stock to a multi-stage centrifugal pump. The number of cannons used is determined by the tank's size and geometry to ensure optimal coverage. Operators control the process safely from a safe distance using real-time video feeds of the tank's interior. A tricanter is connected to the weir's tank sludge pump for further oil recovery. The manway cannons are equipped with integrated cameras and lights, facilitating real-time visuals to the control room. The multi-stage centrifugal pump, operating under high pressure, directs cutter stock to the manway cannons, transforming it into dynamic jet streams. The agile design of the manway cannons ensures thorough coverage, effectively reaching every part of the tank. The high-pressure jet streams break down the sludge upon impact, either dissolving or suspending it. The resulting mixture is then returned to the weir tank for further processing. The movement of the cannon arm is precisely controlled via a hydraulic power unit from the control room, ensuring a comprehensive cleaning of the tanks. The suspended sludge is directed from the weir tank to the tricanter for further oil recovery. This process utilizes centrifugal force to separate oil, water and solids. Upon completion of the cleaning, remaining cutter stock is drained using nitrogen purging, injected from the roof level. For complex non-man entry cleaning solutions and specialised industrial services, approach Robotic Chemi. We are committed to supporting your needs.